So plug in to the low voltage source to switch the unit on. Hold down the red button, setup appears, let go of the red button. Now if we press the white button, we go it's on setup price, setup time, setup time scale, setup mode, set up time per coin, set up minimum price, and back to setup price. So if we want to change the price, we press the red button and we're on to price setting. Now the white button will increase it, so it's £3.50, £3.60, £3.70, £3.80. If we want to go down, we hold the white button down until DN appears, and now we're in the down mode. 360, 350, 340, 330, 320, 310, £3. And now to set that, we press the red button, price set as £3, and then we're back to the main menu again. So the next one is set up time. Again, press the red button and we're on seconds, 40 seconds. Now the seconds is set with the time scale, so you can have minutes, seconds, or seconds divided by 10, which is 100 milliseconds. So we're on seconds at the moment, 40 seconds, so 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. And again, if we want to go down, hold the white button down and 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, and red button, time set as 40 seconds. So the next one is the time scale. Red button to select. Now the white button now just switches between seconds, minutes, and seconds divided by 10. So here we are, timescale minutes, timescale set as minutes, and so that the 40 that you set previously will now be 40 minutes. Set up mode. Now the mode allows you to choose between timer, which is used for things like tumble dryers, totalizer, which is used for things like washing machines, and sensor, which is used for special ESP007, which senses the power being drawn by the appliance, and when that drops to 0, that means when the appliance has finished its cycle, like a washing machine, then the ESP007 switches itself off. So setup mode, press the red button. So we've got totalizer, timer, and sensor. So we'll set timer, red button, there we are. And the next one is time per coin. Now time per coin is what's used in the timer mode, so this will be the time you get for a £1 coin or one token. So you set it to 5 minutes per coin. Then if you put a 50p in, you'll get 2.5 minutes. If you put 10p in, you'll get half a minute. So it's pro rata. So in timer mode, you set the time per coin and the time scale, and then the unit switches the appliance on for that amount of time per coin. So here we go. time per coin is set at 40 minutes, so that will be 40 minutes for a £1 coin. So again, we can go up 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, and again to go down, long push, down, and then 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, and press the red button to select it. And now we have minimum price. Now minimum price is a special feature on timer, which means that the appliance won't start until you've put a minimum of this amount of money in. Now it's really only used for things like forecourt services like jet washes and things like that, where you don't want someone putting in 10p and just getting 10 seconds or something. So under normal circumstances, for a tumble dryer or something like that, the minimum price will be set to 0. So select it here, and I've got the minimum price at the moment is set to £3, but we'll now set that to 0 as an example. So hold the button down, we're in down mode, and then 290, 280, 270, 260, all the way down. To 0, minimum price set as 0, and then so that's, we've gone through all the settings now, so we just press the red button, finally a long push on the red button, and there we are. So we've set timer mode, and the time is £1 for 40 minutes. So if we put a £1 coin in, we'll get a 40-minute time on the output.